How do you capture data from an infrared remote? Let's try an IR receiver module. This is part 35 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the IR receiver module. I'll use the fritzing software to show you how to connect everything. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a USB cable, a 400 tie point breadboard, the IR receiver module, the common cathode LED module, 8 to 13 jumper wires, and any IR remote available. Place the IR receiver module on the breadboard towards the middle. Place the common cathode module off to the side for later use. Connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 8. Connect the middle pin to 5 volts. Connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is the real version. Here are the key features of this sensor module. The IR receiver is typically a VS1838B IR sensor. It senses light at exactly 38 kHz. The black portion of the sensor contains the photodiode and integrated circuit. The metal outer casing is a simple protective shell. The PCB contains resistors and capacitors to protect the sensor circuit. There is also a LED that indicates when the circuit has received a signal. Next, grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Upload the following 41 lines of code. Observe the values in the serial monitor. If a button is pressed on the remote, you will see 3 values: the button state, if it keeps getting pressed, the address in hexadecimal, letting the sensor know it's going to a specific device, and finally the command in hexadecimal, telling the sensor which action to take. If you happen to have the newer UNO R4 with LED matrix, then try the following setup and code. Add the common cathode LED like this. Then upload the following 63 lines of code. Find the commands for your specific remote using this code, and adjust the case statements as needed. You should be able to turn the LEDs on and off, and also display images on the LED matrix. Use this as a baseline for your next remote electronics project.